This collab is called the Fall 2018 Decorating Ideas or Fall DIY and Decor Challenge 2018, hosted by the DIY Mommy. I hope you enjoy my contribution, and thank you, DIY Mommy, for hosting this collab.
So these are some of the tools that I'll be using, or the supplies that I'll be using for my DIY Fall 2018 decor. So let's get started.
So as I mentioned, the final project for my fall DIY, the best fall decor DIY, hosted by the DIY Mommy. And this is my final project. The give thanks sign, as I mentioned, is from the Dollar Tree, and I painted that. The garland is from Big Lots. The frame is an old frame we had at the house, and I just put some contact paper in the behind the give thanks sign. And I have no place to put this yet, so I just have it sitting on the fireplace mantle. Not the mantle, but on the hearth. So I want to thank everybody for watching my video, and please go in and check out the playlist, which will be listed down below. And I want to thank the DIY Mommy for this collab. And check out all the other creators. They'll also be listed down below. Thank you guys, and have an awesome, awesome day.